Your body is stranger than fiction. It glows, it self-destructs, and it even produces its own drugs. Today, we're diving deep into 10 weird facts about your body that almost no one talks about. Some of them will amaze you. And number 7. It might change the way you see yourself forever. Let's begin. Number 1. Your body literally glows. That's right, humans emit light through a process called bioluminescence. Just like fireflies or some deep-sea creatures. But here's the twist. The light is about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. In 2009, Japanese researchers used special cameras and captured faint glows coming from the face and body of human subjects. This glow follows a daily rhythm and is linked to metabolic processes. So yes, you're glowing. Just not in a way you can see in the mirror. To number 2. Your bones are stronger than steel. It may sound like something out of a comic book, but it's true. Bone is incredibly strong for how light it is. A cubic inch of bone can withstand the weight of up to 8 tons more than some types of steel. Its secret lies in its internal structure, which balances strength and flexibility. So next time you bump into something, remember, you're built like a tank, just with better design. Number 3. 8% of your DNA is viral. Surprise, you're part virus. Roughly 8% of your DNA comes from ancient viruses that infected our ancestors over millions of years. These viruses embedded themselves into our genes and were passed on generation after generation. Scientists call them endogenous retroviruses, and while they no longer make us sick, they're still riding along in our cells. Some even play roles in the immune system or in pregnancy. Number 4. Your heart has its own brain. The heart doesn't just follow the brain. It has a mind of its own. Literally, it contains around 40,000 neurons that form a mini nervous system called the intrinsic cardiac nervous system. This allows the heart to generate its own electrical impulses and beat even when disconnected from the brain. For a short period, it can sense, feel, and even learn to some extent. No wonder we say we feel things with the heart. Number 5. Your brain cleans itself while you sleep. During deep sleep, a special system in your brain called the glymphatic system activates. Its job to flush out waste products, including beta amyloid, a toxin linked to Alzheimer's disease. This cleanup only happens when you're deeply asleep, so if you skip sleep regularly, your brain can't detox itself properly. And that foggy feeling in the morning isn't just in your head, it's in your neurons. Number 6. Your body can digest itself after death. Sounds creepy, but it's a natural process. After death, your cells start to break down through a process called autolysis. Enzymes from your digestive system begin to eat away at your tissues. Starting from the inside, it's the same system that breaks down food while you're alive. And ironically, it's the first to act when you're gone. Number 7. Your sweat smells different depending on how you feel. Ever feel like people can sense your fear? Well, they might not be imagining it. Sweat released under stress, fear, or anxiety contains different chemical compounds than sweat from exercise or heat. Other people can pick up on these signals. Unconsciously, your body basically has its own emotional scent language. Number 8. You generate electricity. Constantly, every nerve signal in your body is an electric impulse. Right now, your brain and nervous system are firing off tiny voltages that keep your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and your muscles ready. If you could harness all that energy, you'd be able to power a small light bulb. You're basically a walking, breathing battery. Number 9. Your brain is more active when you dream. You'd think sleep means rest, but not for your brain. During REM sleep, the stage when you dream, your brain becomes incredibly active, sometimes even more than when you're awake. It's processing emotions, solving problems, and forming memories. That's why dreams can feel so real, or so bizarre. Your mind is on full creative mode. Number 10. Your body makes its own drugs. No prescription needed. When you exercise, laugh, or fall in love, your brain releases chemicals like endorphins, dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. These natural, feel-good substances can reduce pain, create euphoria, and make you feel connected. It's your body's built-in pharmacy, and the best part, it's free.